How to create a Meet link on Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new Meet link on Microsoft Teams and join the meeting. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. So if you're trying to join with someone or your friends, or if there is a business meeting, you can easily create a new Meet link on Microsoft Teams and send an invite link out to everyone. For that, you first need to open up your Microsoft Teams app. And here, what you need to do is head over to the home page, and you can either schedule meeting, directly start a meeting, or start a new chat. So if you tap on the Meet section, here you can share a meeting invite or copy the meeting link. So once you start the meeting like this, just tap on Start Meeting. Here you can choose to turn your Microsoft on or off, or your video on or off. So make sure that you turn this off if you are joining. So just tap on Join Now and it will create a meeting on your behalf. Once the meeting is created, just tap on the Share Meeting Invite link, and once you copy the link, you can just go ahead and share this to anyone on your WhatsApp or anywhere. So I'm just going to paste it right here like this. And once they click on this link, they will be invited to the meet right here, and I can just accept their invitation. And that's how you easily create a new meeting link on Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.